Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will show you how to deny creeps in Dota 2 on PC. Let's get started. A deny is when you kill your own creep before the enemy does. Why is this good? The enemy gets less gold, the enemy gets less experience. You control the lane position. This makes your lane easier and safer. Denying is very simple. Your own creep must be below 50% HP, then attack it by pressing A plus left click, or you can right click your creep if right click is to force attack. It's enabled in settings. If you kill the creep, that's a successful deny. The best way to improve is to practice timing. Watch the creep's HP drop and hit it at the right moment. In the first minute, try to get 3 to 4 denies, as many last hit as possible. This helps you build a strong early advantage. Attack your creep early to lower its HP slowly. Don't auto attack everything. Focus on timing. Use your spell to secure last hit, not deny. With practice, denying will become natural. And that's it. Now you know how to deny creeps in Dota 2 the simplest way. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.